Don't worry about it, Chris. Yep. That'll sync them up. Alright. Going left, are we?
Yeah. Hey, come on. There we go.
Well, at least we know we can get out.
Yeah. Still look low.
Oh yes. It's not a bad morning at all, is it?
It's alright if that wind would die away, you know?
Indeed. I'll do the intro to the peeps. Well, hello, good morning, how are you? Well, I was saying good morning, it could be evening, it could be any time, wherever in the world you are. Fat lad here, on a bike, with Chris in front. We've got the Adventure 3 suits on today, and we don't know where we're going. We're going to have a ride, we'll probably head south, down towards Scarborough, that way on, and see what's going on. And it'll all be good fun and brilliant, so why not come along for the ride? It'll be lovely to have you with us. Out of interest, do you have any problems with the sound on the videos that we do, that I put up?
The sound?
Aye.
Yeah, sometimes. Yeah.
Do tell.
There's times it's been really quiet. And like overmodulated. That doesn't seem as though it should work together.
No, I get it. The problem is, I think it's this microphone on this camera is properly sensitive. So I need to put a resistor in line with it, I think, just to calm it down a little bit.
There's times it's okay though. I don't understand. Unless it's the noise thing in your camera. Turning the noise level down or something.
Well, there's automatic gain control on it, and I think it sometimes depends on how much wind noise and other things that there is there, so I need to sort something out with it. I think it's better with the 3000 than it was with the 200. I should be after you shortly.
You want sorry?
How's it coming?
Alright, yeah. I'll take it a bit.
Whoa, okay. Good stop.
Yeah, Horus is open.
There's bikes there. Aye, aye.
You alright, Dave?
Yeah, I'm fine. How's it looking?
It's alright, at the minute there's a white car coming down. Just not me now. No, it's silver, is it? Maybe. Managed to get out?
I'm coming through.
Plenty of room like coming up there.
Just keeping a bloody eyeball on them. Straight behind you.
Yeah.
Well, that was fairly easily navigated.
Well, aye. Straight up through the middle.
I'm just having to watch Charlie Boy here in this bloody...
Oh, I know he's pushing it.
But it was nice to see folks were pulling over to let us through.
Oh, aye. You get the awkward ones as well. I mean, I had... yeah, the day I took the bike in for its service down at Cooper's, as soon as I joined the A19 from Penshire, was at the standstill. There'd been a wagon broken down at Tesco's roundabout.
Aye.
So straight away I was straight out filtering all the way down, and the majority were moving out the way, but then you had the awkward ones that were closing the gap as soon as they seen you.
Yes.
I thought, you know, why? And luckily enough it was, the traffic was starting to move again staggered, so the gap opened up and you were aware again, you know?
Yes.
But yeah, not very good, but...
I mean, with that little lot that we've just come through, it seemed to me that there was a lot of folks were watching and saw us, and there was one or two who weren't looking and hadn't seen us.
Yeah.
But the bulk just, you know, saw the bikes and thought, we'll get out the way.
It's not a bad road to filter down, it's quite wide in places.
Yes. Can you smell fish?
I can. Must be a fish farm or something around here.
Or a nunnery.
I just got what you said. Is this Stokesley way now? I can't remember.
It's a road to somewhere.
This is a road to somewhere.
It's the B1292.
Yes, that's where it is.
It appears to be nicely curvy.
Yes.
Oh, this is a nice road. I like this road.
It's alright, isn't it? Oh, this is great eating.
It is. The boyhood home of Captain James Cook.
Gainsborough, Whitby, Stokesley.
Stokesley to the right.
Yeah. Ah. Which one?
Second one, I think.
Or Thirsk?
Aye. Good as anywhere.
Don't want to go to Thirsk though, I want to go to, what do they call it?
Helmsley?
Helmsley, aye.
Oh, maybe should have gone left there. No, that's into the industrial estate. I think it's down here. There's another roundabout with a left-hander on.
Let's just pull over a little bit. Yeah. Bottle. Car coming, Dave.
Yeah. Thank you. It's lovely when you're out the wind.
It is.
I'm saying going up through Chop Yard.
It's what?
Chop Gate. Chop Yard.
Right. I've not been this way before. I just pushed it in the sat nav and this way it's brought us. So, what the hell, you know? It's quite pleasant.
It used to be our old stamping grounds. We used to do a lot of drinking round here when we lived in Yarm.
Right.
And I can still remember the way there. But given that it was the 70s, I cannot remember the way back.
Loonies. More loonies. This feels like it's going to have hairpins in it.
Yes. And this would be the first one.
Yeah.
Oh, this is rather pleasant.
It is, isn't it?
I like the unexpected road bit.
Oh dear me.
Oh my God.
There's a big hole down there.
Aye, is there? Well, I didn't know this existed. Oh yes. And apparently you can pay for 350 yards.
All right.
Drugs. The Lord Stone's Country Park.
Yeah.
And I wonder what he does in Northern.
Plays with stones.
Aye. It's a very, very pretty part of the world, is this? Surprisingly less windy than I thought it might be as well.
Well, we're shaded quite a bit by the trees, aren't we?
Yes, I think that helps.
Oh, what the hell is that? A little birdie.
Yes, I should imagine we'll need to be on the lookout for the Sunday drivers coming
I
up
know,
for a walk
that's-
in Lordstone's Park.
I'm well ahead of what I can see, so.
I mean, it's a lovely bit of road.
Aha!
Some lovely views off it as well. From the verdant loveliness of spring pasture out onto the wilderness that is the North York Moors.
Yes, very nice. And yeah, I didn't know this road existed at all.
Well, that's the lovely thing for me about getting lost on the bike,
Aha!
because there's not many roads we cannot ride, and then you find things like this and you think, I wish I'd put the software on to record the route.
Aha! Who cut them hedges?
I don't know, but they've made a canny job of it. Very, very neat.
I thought they were concrete blocks at first.
So did I. This is lovely.
It is.
I should point out for those of you who are watching this video and have stuck with us thus far, this is the absolute delight of getting lost and taking a wrong turn in somewhere when you thought you knew where you were going, but it turns out you didn't. And we end up on this, which is a road Chris has never been on, and I've never been on this bit, and it's just absolutely bloody lovely. Look at it. Somebody's been doing some brilliant work on these hedges. They're very, very neat. They've had a ruler out for sure. But this is gorgeous, and we appear, I'm about to jinx it, Chris, we appear to have the road to ourselves. Shouldn't have said it, sorry. It means there's going to be a bus coming straight around this bend. Look at that over there, people. Look at that. It's gorgeous. He kills farm camping.
Camping, yes.
Camping. Does that mean you walk around going, I've been served? It's the other side of the valley we're normally on doing the TT back to Stokes, isn't it?
Well, it must be close to here, yeah.
Yeah, it is the other side of the valley, I'm sure it.
Well, we're totally out the wind, totally pleasant, loving it.
Look at it, it's beautiful. Well done. Well done. I like getting lost like this. Yes, I think it's true to say you're never lost when you're on a motorbike.
Why not,
You just haven't decided which way to go home yet.
Yep. Oh no, then all we can do is 30. Is if we've done much more there.
That means we'll have to speed up.
Yeah. Now we're going to turn right, believe it or not.
Yes, I believe that.
Car coming.
So I see.
Oh, this is the road.
So it is.
Dodgy junction, this.
Clear,
Clear.
Tight.
I know. Oh, motorcycles.
Got the book in. Some fairly old ones there.
There was, wasn't it?
So it wasn't the other side of the valley that we're normally on.
Nah. Think we covered 8 mile on that road?
Is that how far?
Well, the signpost there said 8 mile back to Stokesley. I think that must be a shortcut then. We didn't do 8
Must
mile
be.
there, did we?
I wouldn't have thought so, no.
No.